everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking. Now let's get started. So as you can see, we're here on Google Ads Help. I will show you exactly step by step what to click and how to do it. So first of all, what we need to do to set up conversion, as you can see, we need these two steps, right? We need to create a conversion action and we need to set up a Google tag, right? Before you can set up a website conversion tracking, you will need a website, right? This is where you'll put your Google tag code, and you need the ability to edit website code. Either you or your developer will need to be able to add the code to your website. Next step is, as you can see, creating a conversion action. Now, as you can see, basically you go to your Google Ads, you create a new conversion action. Right here, you can follow this sample right here, right? And creating a conversion action is really simple. Just go to summary, new conversion action, then website, and then you will be able to put your website right here, right? Scan it, do everything like that, and then you can pretty much save it, right? So as you can see, and that's pretty much it. Right now, next, what we need to do is we need to set up our conversion action. You can set up conversion action in two ways. We can, method one, set up conversions with a URL, right? We can do that, right? As you can see, if we want to set up conversions with the URL, we need to use this method right here by just clicking adding URL, and then we can set up our conversion right here, page view, and then right here URL starts with, and then we can do it like that. Right, this is if you want to track a page load as conversion and you don't need to customize your measurement setup. Now, this is the one way. As you can see, that's pretty much one way. And then the second way is right here to set up conversions manually, right? As you can see, you can set up conversions manually by just adding conversions manually and then conversion goal, stuff like that, right? So this is basically if you go to the section create and install conversions manually, advanced, and click plus create conversion, which is right here, right? Add conversions manually. And then you will just need to follow along, right? Now that's the second step. The third step is setting up your Google tag, right? You need to set up your Google tag. Now, if you created your conversion action using a URL, you'll see one of the following screens. If you set up a Google tag, you'll see a screen confirming that your conversion action is now set up. You're now done. If you're choosing to dynamically track transaction-specific values, you'll need to modify your code. If you haven't set up a Google tag, you'll see a screen with instructions, set up your Google tag. Now, if you set up your conversion action manually, you will see one of the following screens. If you set up a Google tag, you'll see instructions to add an event snippet. If you haven't set up a Google tag, you'll see instructions to add both Google tag and an event snippet. Now then you will need to install Google tag. As you can see, you can set up Google tag for your website or use Google Tag Manager. So let's use Google Tag Manager. So here, as you can see, Google Tag Manager is a tag management system, right? As you can see, note you won't be able to use Google Tag Manager with some conversion tracking implementations like URL-based conversions, stuff like that. So here you can copy the conversion ID and conversion label shown in this tab for your conversion action. Follow the instructions to set up Google Ads conversion tracking in Google Manager, and that's pretty much it. You need to go next and done, and you will be basically good to go. As you can see, to install conversion tracking tag with Google Tag Manager, instead of manually adding the conversion tracking tag to your website code, you can use Google Tag Manager to install the tag. You'll need to provide the following information as well right here. Now you'll find this information in the event snippet for your conversion action in the sample snippet below right here, as you can see. And then next we need to check our conversion tracking tag right here. Now, conversion tracking tag, what you will need to do is sign into your Google Ads account, click the tools icon right under the measurement, click conversions, and in the conversion action table, find the conversion action that you want to check in the name column, then look at the status column in the same row. Now, that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can check your Google tag, how you can set up your Google Ads conversion tracking, and everything else. If you have any questions, I know this was a little bit of fast tutorial, and I didn't show you exactly in the Google Ads, but that is because I don't have a Google Ads account on this account. So yeah, hope you enjoy still and hope you find some value. If you did, leave a like down below. If not, comment down below and I will answer all of your questions. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.